Alright, so what is up? So excuse the mess, it's just in the process of moving. But yeah, this is the Redsport, well, the 18 plus sport bumper. Recently picked it up, and I actually just picked it up from Wrap. It's wrapped in the same color as the rest of my car, Tech Wrap Royal Blue. So yeah, wrap looks good, bumper looks really good, and I'm gonna start putting on the other accessories right now, like the grill, the lower grill, and then the pieces here on the side. And then I'm gonna go start installing on the car. But yeah, this is pretty much how it looks without anything on it, just pure bumper. So all right, so I thought I'd just show you guys real quick the current bumper that I have. So my car's actually the sport version, so it has this 14 to 17 sport bumper, and I honestly really like it. But the reason that I'm mainly upgrading to this new one is because so this broke the other day. It's pretty bad actually. And then a while back, this side broke as well, and the entire like thing pretty much came off. So my bumper is just, it's like super loose, and it has this hole that I drilled because I was gonna put a zip tie under here, but I ended up regretting that. So I mean, like I said, the bumper from far away looks really good, you know, but definitely time for an upgrade. And so we can get a little, this is pretty much a before shot, and then I'll take one after the 18 plus sport is on there. All right, so this is the bumper now with pretty much everything on it. It has the top grill, bottom grill, and then the side pieces. So yeah, I mean, as you can see, fitment, it's pretty good. And keep in mind, all this stuff is from eBay. The bumper is OEM. I bought it from Infiniti directly, but everything else is eBay, except the emblem is also OEM. But yeah, I mean, honestly, for eBay, it is not bad fitment at all. Looks really good, honestly. What I did was actually for these right here, it has trouble sitting flush right at this point. So on the back, I came in with a self-tap, and I just put it right there. And then what else did I do? Yeah, put some self-taps here on the side to hold the bottom piece to it. And then what else? I put some actual bolts down here to make sure that the bottom piece is nice and secure. And then, yeah, same thing on the other side, put a self-tap there. Yeah, for all this thing, bumper looks really good. So I'm gonna take it outside now and put the fogs on and all that. And after of putting on the Redsport bumper, honestly, I think it looks really good. I just love this color, you know, that I have on my car, the Tech Wrap Royal Blue, and honestly, fitment is really good. The lip is nice and flush. Down here, it's nice and flush to the actual pieces of the bumper, and then the grill fits really good too. Yeah, overall, like even up here, even though the fact that I have carbon fenders, the gap isn't as big as it used to be, even on this side. So the only issue that I had was right here. Definitely like goes in there, but it's not like fully in there. You can see there's a gap, and I'm pretty sure that's because of the way my fender's put on. I might have to look into that, but overall it's not bad enough to like bother me. So yeah, this side is actually perfect, nice and flush. So yeah, overall this is the way the car looks with the new bumper on. And then yeah, just really happy with it, honestly. So I want to walk through also like kind of what the whole bumper's gonna need, because I'm not sure if I've done that yet. But obviously you're gonna need the grill, and I can put links to all this stuff down on the description. But you're gonna need the grill, and then you're gonna need the emblem, and then the emblem bracket. So on the description I found on eBay, it actually comes with the bracket and with the emblem, but this is actually two separate pieces. So the emblem like is double sticked onto this black bracket, and then the bracket itself is another piece that bolts onto the grill. So you also have the tow hook cover that you're gonna need to buy. I think it's like 16 bucks or something like that. And then since I had a sport bumper already, my turn signals actually swapped over. I know that the fog lights will fit from any model of the Q50, but I think the turn signals, if you don't have a sport version on your car, you're gonna have to buy those. But yeah, then there's also like the lower grill under here. You're gonna have to buy that. Lip is optional, of course, but I like how it adds kind of an aggressiveness to the bumper. And then besides that, there's these pieces that go on both the left side and the right side of the bumper. And that's pretty much it. And I can put links to all this stuff down here. And yeah, this is, you know, an upgrade that I honestly think it really changes the front end of the car. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or kind of questions about how you do this on your Q, you can put it down below in the comments and I'll get back to you.